Seimeach benna roint fi seinine sin le journalist duine le gailge óchas TGK nó TikTok agus ficinn tú daine gomininic na comments ra oh, I'm fluent and I don't know what they're saying, so you know ach da mé fluent lífa hicketís get rá. One who was fluent would understand a native speaker, truly fluent. There's a nice thing around fluent lífa. Does it the gail ma galore no gail gi fólum tan scoile it de laurí mar seo agus tá beagán tá mé léfa an gailga agus tam like tá gailga like go hintak ogumsa no ní to leave the gail gi fólum ma galore to tussy does it just in calculor that's okay an okay level to improve on na fáils a chuile is gailgeach. Tá se ná an teán as an scaige hóchas mise as tá mise fólum a gúnaí tóideamh mise teadin na sur cean na gailchas láidir is a tír. As tá mise fós, bí mise fós a fólum, tá mise gúnaí cearach fáils snás chuchas bud gaige héin cé gur gaige hóchas me I'm a native speaker and had the privilege of being a native speaker and brought up here and on the strongest gaeltachts in the country, in the world here and in the Sir, but I'm constantly improving my own Irish and I just find it so arrogant. Current na cantalar na chusins ma daine such in the comments. Gondel daine go thick, usually stupid young people have the clue what they're saying. Cap and chat go a sack of colours. You would look marshal McKinch pages. We might have been all like that a little bit when we were younger to an extent. Could you point charge about near gram more on marsh? I don't think I was that arrogant. Ni home now when you're on TikTok on there imshe nation or there wasn't any TikTok when I was younger, but still, but no, it's not just young people in their mid-20s, late 20s. I think I see them. I'm fluent, and I don't know what's he speaking. What she's speaking Chinese, like the really shafachach marshin. Sort of rant, but it's just a bit of a rant. Just can't tell them that I can smash, and it just kind of irritates me when I. Kind of just arrogance of people outside the Gaeltacht that have a bit of Irish and they think they're fluent. No, I'm not talking down on anyone that is Irish and was rodéintach as an gwilgaige a la ragwa to leave of jealous with few me hey mar go hogus bartara chama. Even myself as a native speaker, I'm always trying to improve my own Irish, so if you're not able to understand a native speaker, especially when they're speaking clearly, there's a kinds of sellers, no, no, need to leave for cat chile follow me and that metanana shinara fuck much slang go fold.